Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a spinning paper circle from a piece of paper and a single stud earring. I first created this as a way to engage my creative writing students with brainstorming writing prompts. First, use a bowl or something else round to trace a circle on a piece of cardstock. Then, use a pair of scissors to cut out a circle. If you use a sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper, you can get two circles from one piece. Now, take your circle and fold it over and over and over again. This creates the sections for your wheel. Choose a theme for your circle. In this example, I selected items you could find in the ocean. Add the names and use your colored markers to add some extra color. Next, grab your earring. I started with an old pierced hoop earring. I twisted it to make a handle. I poked a hole in the middle of the circle. I inserted the stud up and through the circle and capped it with a butterfly backing. Tip: if the stud is too long and the circle slips down, you can add a bead to adjust the length. Here, I'm showing you some up-close examples of how I put the spinning wheel together. And now, let's take it for a spin. For more fun ideas on brainstorming story ideas or engaging your students in creative writing, come see me at Write with Rachel.